In this video, we're going to take you through how to connect DataFetch to Postgres so that you can pull data back from that into your Slack conversations. Click New Data Source, pick Postgres, give it a name, and put in the connection string details. So now that we've connected, we're going to just go ahead and run some simple queries. So if I wanted to run kind of a count, there we go. If I wanted to say select, get everything from this particular data set, you can kind of get everything, although that would not be super useful in the case of trying to pull data back from Slack. So let's pull a somewhat useful data set back. In this data set, we have a query like this that's going to give us people who are putting on events and the number of events that are in this database by those particular organizations. So this might be useful for whatever, but the point is to show an example. So we'll also want to kind of give this a name. So event count by organizer. Great. And so here we are going to establish the message template that is going to be rendered in Slack when you call this particular event count by organizer insight. You'll notice that it's between these handlebar calls here for each rows. So each row that's returned is going to be what's displayed via this template. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a colon there. And actually, let's replace this with the name. We can do that just by dragging and dropping. And then we will take the source count, like that. We save that. And now let's go into Slack. We can just go into any channel and type df event. The word event will be searched across all of our different data sources. You can see here actually event is found multiple times in multiple platforms, one of which is an insight which we can run, and if we run, it immediately just brings us back our details in a way that's only visible to us. But if we wanted to send that into the whole channel, we can. And if we wanted to download the table, we also can. And it's going to search by that name. So if we say organizer, the word organizer is only found once in all of the different systems it's searching. We click View Insight, it's the same thing. So that's how to connect Postgres data source to DataFetch so that you can use the DataFetch command to basically run any SQL query you'd like. You can try DataFetch today by searching for DataFetch on the Slack app directory or going to datafetch.io and clicking Add to Slack. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.